Hi guys, welcome to Fashion Law IP blog. Today we have Navya with us.
Myself Navya, I own a fabric store in Noida. We deal in all kinds of grey and RFD woven fabrics.
So Navya, can you tell us what are the fabrics that are sold the most in the market and the reason behind it?
So I would like to say on this, there is no particular fabric which sells most in the market. It depends upon the climate and the region and people preferences. As we know, there are different types of people and they have different preferences. So if you know, some people like to wear premium fabrics. In premium fabrics, we have bamboo fabrics, linen fabrics, and silk fabrics. Some people wants to like to wear cheap fabrics. So in that we have polyester fabrics, mixed fabrics. So to conclude on this, I like to say there is no particular fabric which sells most in the market. It all depends upon the people preferences.
So Navya, are people today asking about the origin and the sustainability of a fabric?
Yes, even I have started noticing that people these days have started asking about sustainability and origin of the fabric, and this is happening just because people are being more environmental friendly, more conscious about what they are wearing and where that fabric is coming from. And second reason is that nowadays there are many homegrown brands which have started talking about sustainability and started educating people upon this. So even those brands have started asking whether these fabrics are sustainable or not.
So Navya, do you believe that social media or online retailing has affected the retail market?
No, I don't think so. It has affected our market. It has only helped us in growing our market. Earlier, we were only used to do door-to-door marketing or physical marketing. Online marketing has affected us in positive way only.
So Navya, as knowledge is being easily available online, so what are the certifications that clients are asking nowadays?
Clients are asking for certain certifications which give them confidence that the fabric is really sustainable or not. Some certifications are like BCI, which stands for Better Cotton Initiative. So client gets to know that this fabric is actually 100% cotton, not mix of some other fabrics. And there are other certifications as well, like EcoVera, GRS. GRS is like Global Recycled Polyester. So people get to know that it is environmental friendly and it is not harming the environment.
Thank you Navya for your insightful interview. Hope you had a great time.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you guys for watching Fashion Law IP blog. Kindly do like, share and comment.